My name is John Lancaster and I'm an instructor in the Building Construction Technology program. For the next few minutes, we're going to show you some home repairs on sheetrock that you will find most valuable, and you can repair these with just a few hand tools and just a little bit of knowledge. This is drywall. Most homes are built with 1/2 inch. This is 1/2 inch sheet wall in your walls. The material that we would need to do the repairs are as follows. You can buy these inexpensive plastic tools and also all-purpose joint compound. What type of sandpaper do we need? Typically, we start out with an 80 grit sandpaper to start the process. These are what we call patches that you can actually purchase at the big box stores. They come in a variety of sizes depending upon the hole that you need to patch in your home. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at a variety of patches and holes that we're going to use, and I'll show you how to do it. This area right here, pretty simple. This is called the utility knife. A utility knife, you can buy them at all different costs. This is a kind of a contractor's knife. What we want to do is cut out just the paper. So I'm going to very carefully pull the paper off. All right, the next thing you want to do is make sure that there are no bumps on anything. So you can take the piece of sandpaper, in this case here, the 80 grit paper, and simply give it a light sanding where I've gotten it now smooth. Now we need to take a wet sponge and we need to wet this area. And what that's going to do, it'll keep our mud right here from being sucked out of the area. Now, as I said, these are two plastic knives. The pros, they usually use a 6 inch or a 12 inch, depending upon the size of the patch. This is a 6 inch, very inexpensive, and I simply put it on there, okay? That's the first coat. This product will take approximately 6 to 8 hours to dry, and after it dries, you come back to sand it again, and if it's flush and there are no imperfections, then you can go to the next phase, which would be to seal it. Seal it after you sand it down, and you would seal it with a product similar to this, a latex-based product where you would seal it. Otherwise, if you didn't seal it, you get what we call flashing. Flashing means that you would see the patch, it would stand out. We want the patch to be inconspicuous so that we use this product to seal the patch, and then we can finish coat it with the materials we need. That's a minor patch. Now we've got the miracle patches. These are your really quick homeowner remedy. The home improvement industry said we need to make repairing patches a lot easier for homeowners. Instead of going through all of the intricate things that we did, why not just take the patch that we have here. You'll notice that one side is sticky. So you just simply take it and you position it over your patch. So I take my joint compound, we come over here and we simply, now we're done with the first coat. Once again, important tip, less is better than more. The more you put on there means the more sanding you have to do, which takes time and it creates problems. Now, we did something different. I took the measurement of this and I made the patch from a piece of sheetrock, but you'll notice on the back here, I cut it back 1 inch all the way around. All right, what's that all about? Well, I'm gonna show you. I can take my joint compound, and what we're doing is we're creating a little bit of a base for the patch to fit in. And then I come over to the patch area, slide it in there, and here we go. I take joint compound, just put a little bit of a light coating right here, real light. Now, This is going to dry down, flush, and it's going to take several applications. If you see it bubbling a little bit on the aux area, simply put some joint compound on there, but those are easily remedied and fixed in the next coats. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing the patches and how it's all done and all the different steps and the equipment and tools that you need, minor tools, to do all of the necessary repairs, and possibly this should springboard you and want to take on other home improvement projects.